In today's video, I'm going to be talking about what sticker packs are, why you should be using them, and how you can create your own. Hey guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shop. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button to make sure you're not missing out on any future videos that can teach you how to make some extra cash. For anyone that's new, there's a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, and alongside that, there's also a paid step-by-step course that will fast-track you to print-on-demand success. No matter where you are on your print-on-demand journey, all that information will help you find your way. These right here are sticker packs, and this is exactly what they look like. And the whole idea behind the sticker pack is to have more than one image on a sticker, allowing people to have the opportunity to get more things for the price of one. And as you guys can see here, when it comes to sticker packs, they can vary from images, as you can see here with these very colorful images, got some pictures of dinosaurs there, to things like text-based designs, as you can see here with this example of text design. The main thing you guys need to be concerned with when it comes to sticker packs is the spacing between your designs, because you don't want the stickers to touch, because if they touch, it becomes one conjoined sticker and you don't want that. Nevertheless, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that in this video, and also talking a bit more about why sticker packs are effective. Now, going on to the reason to why we should all be using sticker packs, it's due to the fact that they allow you to be more competitive in smaller niches. If you're in a niche where other people do not have sticker packs, people are more likely to buy from you because they'll be getting the best value for money. Even ask yourself, if you was on Redbubble trying to buy a sticker and you saw one person selling one sticker and another person selling a pack with one sticker that you like alongside a few others you might be interested in, which person are you going to buy from? Personally, I think it's a no-brainer. There are people out there that do use sticker packs, but there's a lot of smaller niches I've noticed until this day I'm still seeing where people don't actually use sticker packs. So if you apply these into your shops and you find the right niche, they can be the game changer. As for how to create sticker packs, I'll actually have to jump onto my PC to show you guys how to do that. But before I do, I just want to let you guys know that I have previously made a video where I've spoke about how to create text-based sticker packs. If you haven't seen that already, that will be linked down in the description. In this video, I'm going to do my very best to show you how to create image-based sticker packs. So if that's something you're interested in, you're going to want to stick around for this part. Right guys, I'm going to jump in and show you exactly what I do to create a sticker pack from scratch. I have done a video where I cover sticker pack templates before, and I created a template in that video that I am currently selling for £1. So you can download that if you want something to start with, but if you want to do it from scratch, you can literally follow along with what I do here. So what I do on Photoshop, I literally create a new file, and the dimensions that I love to go with for a sticker pack are 8000 by 8000 in terms of pixels. For anyone that doesn't have Photoshop, you can literally follow along with exactly what I'm doing on Photopea, which is a free online editor, very similar to Photoshop. I'm just going to title this sticker pack so I know what it is. Save that there. Once you have your dimensions set, it should look a little like this. Now what I usually do to create the spacing before I put the images, I open up the ruler. It's currently opened up at the moment, but let's say yours wasn't. All you need to do is click Control and R or Command and R if you're on a Mac. So then the ruler would pop up like you can see up there. When you do that, you can actually drag down a line. If you hold the Shift button, it will try to place it in the middle of the box. So I drag the line from the top to the bottom, and then obviously from the side to the center, just so I've got an idea of where the middle of the square is, to make it easier to actually space out where I'm going to put the images. And let's say if I was just creating a sticker pack that would have 4 images, this is what I would start off by doing. At this point, you need to then go and find the images that you want to use. Usually I would go on websites like Vexel to see if they have any images that I can download. I've already typed in Halloween designs here, so I would look to see if I can find any PNG styled images that I can download. Now if I just put something here like pumpkin, should be able to see some cool looking pumpkin designs. For example, this is one we can use. I would download this as a PNG, the bigger size, and then it will download. Once downloaded, I can literally drag it onto the PSD just like this. Now when you put them in your sticker pack, you don't want to make them too big. you want them to be fairly spaced out so they don't actually stick together when it does come to the final sticker. So I spaced them out nice and wide. There's already a few images I've downloaded in advance, so I'll just place them on. Once again, the aim is to try to keep everything fairly spaced out, because then once you put your 4 images in, you can then gauge to see if you can add even more images in. This one's fairly small. Let's make it a little bit bigger. And then just put in the final one like that. Now, I would always say refrain from using images with the shadow like this, because once I take the background off, this shadow would still be there, which wouldn't look that great on stickers. I'm just showing you guys an example, but if you guys do try to do this, just try to find images that don't have shadows on them. Trust me, it will make a big difference when it comes to the final sticker pack. Now, I've added 4 images here, and I feel like if I space them wide enough, I can actually fit in a 5th image here. Now, in the text sticker pack video that I did, the template that I created can fit quite a lot of things on it. So I'm going to see if I can replicate something similar here, and then we'll put in a final image. I'll try to put in the center. There we go. So it's pretty much a pumpkin based Halloween design. Now I'm gonna take off the background, and just like that, you'd see this would be somewhat a sticker pack that people will be able to use. And once you're at this point, you're pretty much ready to upload your design onto Redbubble. So I'm quickly gonna get this uploaded onto Redbubble, and I'll show you guys what I would then do once my design is on Redbubble. Right guys, so once you actually have your sticker packs uploaded onto Redbubble, see something that looks very similar to this. And a lot of people always ask me, how do they optimize their sticker packs for all products? So I thought within this video I would also show you how I go about doing this. Now, for things like shirts, you can't really optimize it any more than just leaving it as it is. But for other products such as sleeveless designs or graphic designs that have the pattern option on them that looks like this, you can literally click the pattern option, reduce the size, and you see that the sticker pack design will then fill the whole product. So for people that want to optimize their products, that's what you would need to do. You need to go through all of the things and change whatever you can and enable the pattern design just so it fills up the products. I've noticed that helps me with sales, especially on products like leggings, mainly because with the leggings, if you was to leave it how it is, it wouldn't look that good. But if you go into the pattern design, as you see there, it has some sort of pattern style to it that doesn't look too bad. So yeah, that's one tip I would say for you guys to take on board. Also, the sticker itself, I'd also say make sure that you have everything enabled. At the moment, both stickers and magnets are enabled. As you can see here, it says 4 out of 4. But for whatever reason, if you have things that aren't enabled, you just click on the little tick here and you make sure everything is selected. You always want to make sure that if you're selling a sticker pack, make sure that the default product or the product that shows on the front is a sticker. And once that's done, save everything. Once you have your sticker pack completed, and if the spacing is right, there'll be enough space to make sure that the images don't actually attach. Now with sticker packs, you can create a variation of things. It doesn't have to just be Halloween sticker packs. It could be Christmas related sticker packs. Now if you was to use Vexels, any images that you use from them, if you're not subscribed, you would have to pay per image to have the license to use that one image forever. There are actually some other sites out there that allow you to download images for free. I talk about them with my course members on my Facebook course member group. But besides that, when it comes to sticker packs, the opportunities are endless. As long as you have an idea, you can create image-based sticker packs like you've seen here, text-based sticker packs such as in my last sticker pack video, which will be linked down in the description if you haven't seen it already. There's so much you can do. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it so far, a like rating would be very much appreciated. It will show me that you guys want me to keep bringing you guys more content. And speaking about videos and content, I also now have a link down in the description where you guys can submit videos that you want to see. So definitely check that out if you feel that there's a video that you want to see from me. And finally, if you've made it to this point of the video, down in the comment section, comment I am about to get money, because all of you guys, very soon you'll be surprised with the sales you're going to start to see. Nevertheless, you guys are amazing, and always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.